Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to reset and erase all content on your iPhone device. This works with any iPhone. This also works with any iOS on your device. I do have a big announcement at the end of the video for an iPhone 11 giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video to hear what the details are. So what you're going to want to do to erase all content on your iPhone is go to Settings, go to General, scroll down, and you're going to click Reset. So what you're going to want to do here, you don't want to click Reset all settings. What you're going to want to do here is erase all content and settings. So as you guys can see, documents and data are being uploaded to iCloud. If you erase now, you will lose documents and data that are being uploaded to iCloud. So what you're going to want to do is click Erase Now. I'm not going to actually go through with it because I don't want to erase anything on my phone. So that's the process that you guys got to do. So I'll show you one more time. Go into Settings, go into General, scroll all the way to the bottom, Reset, erase all content and settings. We made it to the end of the video, and also for what you guys wanted to hear. I do have an iPhone 11 to give away to one lucky subscriber. So once we hit 20,000 subscribers, I know it's a big goal, but once we hit 20,000 subscribers, I will be giving away this iPhone 11 to one lucky person. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay active. And also follow me on Instagram because I will be announcing it there, and I will be announcing it on my YouTube channel as well. Another thing too, if you guys do need help on anything related to iPhones, I will gladly be able to help you guys. So DM me on Instagram or on my YouTube channel as well. That'll be all. Roll the outro.